Taking the Metrorail train around Johannesburg is considered somewhat risky by many middle-class South Africans. But on the first day of the World Cup, it was a cheap, relatively quick and lively way to get to Soweto, where Bafana Bafana were about to kick off their campaign against Mexico. A couple dozen Soweto commuters burst into song and prayers in one of the carriages in what was described as a church service by one of the passengers. The congregation prayed for a successful World Cup and for a Bafana win.
Hallelujah! It's wonderful kunabantu abasindiswanga kule coach. It's wonderful ngelanga le World Cup. Ye opening ye World Cup uthathu Jesu. Akumnandanga bazalwane. Ngelanga le World Cup first day. Nge-11 saka June wena uthathu Jesu. Uthi ngelanga le opening iSouth Africa idlala neMexico. Mina ngambona uNkulunkulu. Hallelujah.
Church services are common on these trains and are used to recruit more followers for their congregations.
Worship with us. We are here just to lift the name Jesus, nothing else. Hallelujah. So you are welcome. Worship with us, praise with us. So wait to you is free. Yeah. Hallelujah. It's wonderful. There is no other name.
Although they were keen to save souls, this was a spontaneous and very African way to celebrate the opening of the World Cup in South Africa.